ہم جوڑیں گے اور مضبوطی کے ساتھ مرکزی حکومت سے اس تعلق سے نمائندگی کریں گے. لیکن میں یہ ساری تفصیلات اس لیے رکھ رہا ہوں کیونکہ بعض گوشوں سے یہ پیغام دینے کی کوشش کی جا رہی ہے کہ مسلمانوں کو ریزرویشن دیا جا رہا ہے اور مسلمانوں کو ایک پرسنٹیج دینے کا جو وعدہ کیا جا رہا ہے اس کے ذریعے دوسرے بیکورڈ کلاس ہندوز کی حق تلفی ہو رہی ہے یا ان کے حق کو چھینا جا رہا ہے. تو اس لیے میں اس پہ ایلیبریٹ کرتے ہوئے یہ بات کہنا چاہ رہا ہوں کہ آپ ان لوگوں کی باتوں میں اور بہکاوے میں نہ آئیں کہ بی سیز جو ہندوز ہیں ان کے حق کو چھین کر مسلمانوں کو دیا جا رہا ہے. ایسا ہرگز و قطعی نہیں ہے. بی سی ہندوز کو ان کا حق دیا جائے گا اور بی سی مسلمز جو ہیں جو بیکورڈ کلاس ہے ان کو بھی دیا جائے گا. اب ایک پولیٹیکل پارٹی یہ بات کرتی ہے کہ مسلمان کو ریلیجن کے بیسس پہ نہیں دیا جا سکتا. تو میں یہ کہنا چاہ رہا ہوں کہ ریلیجن کے بیسس پہ دینے کا کوئی بھی مطالبہ نہیں کر رہا ہے. صرف بیکورڈنس کی بنیاد پہ وہ سوشلی ایجوکیشنلی اور پولیٹیکلی جو بیکورڈ ہے ان کو دینے کے لیے ہم یہ مطالبہ کر رہے ہیں. تو اس لیے میں تھوڑے سے اس کی تفصیل میں جا رہا تھا. اگر آپ نہیں چاہتے ہیں تو میں نہیں بولوں گا کیونکہ میں یہ چاہ رہا ہوں کہ ہم اگر یہ بات کو صاف کریں کیونکہ بعض لوگ ایسے ہیں سر, there are few people who are trying to divide this nation sir on religion basis, who are trying to divide the people's heart and minds and thoughts and they are trying to do politics on religion sir. So that is why I thought that it is better that I just elaborate few more things so that we can defeat those people who are trying to divide this nation on the basis of religion and creating hate and hate and hate and only hate. صرف نفرت نفرت نفرت. ابھی ہم صبح میں بھی دیکھے کہ کس طریقے سے نام کے ساتھ سے نفرت کی جا رہی تھی. سر یہ کیا ہم کو نام کی فکر نہیں ہے, کام کی فکر کرنی چاہیے. لیکن بعض ایسے لوگ ہیں کہ جو نام کی پالیٹکس کے ذریعے کام کی پالیٹکس کو بھلانا چاہتے ہیں. تو اس لیے میں یہ ساری تفصیل بتا رہا تھا کہ کیسے عثمانیہ کا نام بدل دیجئے. سر عثمانیہ کا کیا ہے سر؟ ٹوڈے وی آر سٹنگ ان دس ہاؤس, یہ اسمبلی بھی جو بول رہے ہیں ان کا نام بدلو, یہ ہاؤس بھی وہی نظام بنائے سو ہے. نظام شوگر فیکٹری, سر سرپور کاغذ نگر, نظام ساگر, ناگرجنا ساگر کا سروے بھی نظامچ کروائے. چائنا سے وار ہوا تو گولڈ ٹنوں میں لاری بھر کے دینے والے نظام, راج پرمکھ نظام. مگر یہ نفرت جو کرتے ہیں نا سر, we have to defeat these people who are dividing this nation, I would say sir. That is why I was going in sir. Reservation I will just conclude it. چھوٹا کر دیتا ہوں صاحب, تفصیل میں نہیں جاتا ہوں. میں منسٹر صاحب کا احترام کرتا ہوں, ان کی درخواست کا بھی احترام کرتے ہوئے سر ریزرویشن ان لوکل باڈیز کے لیے بھی میں یہی بات کہوں گا سر کہ the Congress has committed to raise the reservation in the local bodies to 42% for the BCs, 18% for SCs and 12% for STs according to its BC and SC declaration sir. The existing declaration for SCs and STs in local bodies sir, I am sure the rising the BC reservation to 42 in the local bodies may not be a big deal at all since the provisions are made in Telangana Panchayat Raj Act 2018 for earmarking 34% of reservation for BCs in Gram Panchayat, MPTC and ZPTC and Mandal Praja Parishad and Zilla Parishad apart from reservation for SCs and STs sir. Sir, also sir, as per the GHMC Act also 1/3 reservation are provided for BCs sir. Sir, I welcome the decision of the government to raise the quantum of reservation for BCs in all local bodies, Panchayat Raj and urban local bodies. 42% in the proportion of BCs to total population has been assessed by 56.33% as per the caste survey sir. This is the only way to do justice to BCs and empower them politically in the real sense sir. Sir, at the same time sir, while constituting the dedicated commission in November 2024, the government has directed the commission to make its recommendation by following the triple test prescribed by the Supreme Court of India as per prerequisite of provisioning reservation in favor of BCs, OBCs in local bodies election, while in order in Vikas Krishan Rao Gawali versus Maharashtra and other writ petition number 980 and 2019 dated 4/3 sir, 2021 read by D. Krishna Kumar and others sir. The third condition in the triple test specifies that such reservation shall not exceed aggregate of 50% of the total seats reserved in the favor of SC, ST, OBCs and together. This directive to the dedicated commission was preposterous, self-contradictory and uncalled for asserted reasons, sir. This is why I'm once again repeating this, sir. Sir, the reservation for BCs in other states, sir, I just need a little bit of time. Is wajah se, sir, कि earlier I had said that कि few people are trying to, divide and create the hate between two communities and do their politics on religion, sir. By making two communities fight and, creating a hatred. That is why I want to give some little bit of history, sir. Sir, out of the 36 states of union territories in the country, as many as 29 are currently implementing the reservation for backward classes, other backward classes, BC, OBC categories, sir. The quantum of reservation for BC, OBC ranges from 2% to 50% in different states and union territories, sir. So the Tamil Nadu tops the list with 50% reservation for BC among 29 states and union territories, sir. The next are Kerala and Sikkim with 40% reservation for each for BC, OBCs, followed by Andaman Islands 38%, Puducherry 34, Bihar 33, Karnataka and Maharashtra 32, each Andhra Pradesh and Telangana 29 each, Assam, Goa, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Dadra and Delhi 27, each Haryana 23, Rajasthan 21, Himachal 20%, Manipur, West Bengal 17, each Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Uttarakhand 14% each, Punjab 12%, Odisha 11, Tripura 2, 7 states of union territory, namely Arunachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Lakshadweep, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Nagaland do not provide any reservation for BCs, OBC as they have no population of these sections, sir. Thus the hike in BC reservation to 42% in Telangana compares favorably with 50% in Tamil Nadu and 40% in Kerala and 38% in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, sir. States with 50% reservation for SC, STs and BC together are, as per the current status, sir, the reservation in different states, as many as dozen state and union territories have already crossed, dozens, sir, have already crossed 50% mark. These states include Tamil Nadu 69%, Chhattisgarh 59%, Karnataka 56%, Manipur and Rajasthan and Telangana 54% each, Maharashtra 53%, as well as Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland 80% each, and Sikkim is 85%, sir. The total reservation 100% in union territories of Lakshadweep, sir. No Lakshman Rekha or ceiling on reservation, sir. So there is no sanctity of Lakshman Rekha drawn by the Supreme Court on the quantum of reservation or at 50% bearing exception circumstances backed up by empirical data, sir. Nowhere does the Constitution of India lays down that the reservation shall not exceed 50%. The Supreme Court has merely laid down the cap which cannot be construed as a law, since only the Parliament has the powers to make legislation and the apex court job is only to see whether there is an conformity with the Constitution, sir. Sir, in this backdrop, I would like to point out that the ceiling placed by the Supreme Court lacks statutory backing, as there is no provision in the Constitution of India placing a cap on the quantum of reservation for SC, STs and OBCs, sir. Article 15 of 4 and 5 or Article 16, 4 and 4A, 46, Article 46 and 24, 243D, 24, 243T, 330, 332, 334 and 335 dealing with reservation of SC, ST, OBCs and economically weaker section in admission into education institution and public employment, panchayat, municipality, Lok Sabha and state assembly do not specify any ceiling on the quantum of reservation for these categories as well as on the total quantum per se, sir. As pointed out earlier, sir, with the hike in ST reservation to 10% in 2022, the quantum of reservation in Telangana has reached 54%, including 15% of SCs and 29% for BCs, sir. This helped Telangana state to breach the 50% cap by Supreme Court for total quantum of reservation in Indira Sami case November 1992, sir. However, Telangana is not the first state to do so. It will be the last state on this course, sir. Sir, while I also speak, sir, while the backward section of Muslim minority are included in overall BC list in many states, sir, this is the answer to the people who says that reservation is being given on religion based, sir. Sir, while the backward section of Muslim minority are included in the overall BC list in many states and union territory, they are provided with reservations in separate groups in 7 states in the country, namely Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Manipur and West Bengal. Reservation for backward section of Muslim community range from 3% to 12% in these 7 states. Kerala has the highest quantum of 12% reservation for backward sections of Muslim. It may be pointed out that reservations are provided for the entire Muslim community excluding the creamy layer in Kerala and Karnataka. And in Karnataka, BJP was in government. If it was it was on religion based, then why didn't the then BJP government take necessary steps? Sir, you know, sir, just for sake of votes and politics, they are dividing this nation and creating this hatred, sir, by spreading all false information, sir. And it is very famous. They belong to the WhatsApp University, where they spread all rumors and they spread hatred. They spread all wrong news and, you know, try to weaken this nation. Dividing the nation is weakening the nation. वो मुल्क का चाहने वाला, मुल्क का वफादार, मुल्क का हमदर्द नहीं हो सकता जो मुल्क को कमजोर कर रहा है. लेकिन ये लोग मुल्क की चाहत का इजहार करते हैं, लेकिन पीछे से मुल्क को कमजोर करने का काम करते हैं. Sir, it may be pointed out that reservations are provided for the entire Muslim community in Kerala and Karnataka. Reservation of basis of backward class. Biradari is provided in Tamil Nadu, where most groups accounting to 95% of Muslims are covered, sir. In Bihar, the reservation are provided in 2 categories: backward classes, BC, Muslim, most backward communities, MBC, among Muslims, sir. So Telangana bill is also historic, sir. I have given all the details, sir, in the background. I welcome the historic bill introduced by the Congress government to raise the quantum of reservation to 42% for BCs in admission in education institution, for appointments in public service as well as elective posts in all local bodies, both rural and urban, sir. However, the reservation for SC/STs are pegged at 15% and 10% respectively in Telangana. BC, SC/ST reservation of seats in education institution, appointment of posts in service under the state bill 2025, the overall reservation under the bill are pegged at 67%. I request the government to introduce official amendments raising the reservation of SCs from 15 to 18% and STs from 10% to 12%, sir. This will take the total quantum of reservation to 72% of BCs, SCs and STs together, setting a record by any state in the country, sir. Telangana will surpass Tamil Nadu 69% quantum of reservation in the country, sir. Sir, I may point out that here the central government has enacted the Constitution 102nd Amendment Act in August 2018, which inter alia dispensed with the state's role in identifying the backward class for their state list and allowed the president to specify the backward class for a state in consultation with the governor of the state, sir. Earlier, sir, these powers were taken away. The state powers were taken away from the state by the union government. Now these powers are being returned back to the state, sir. So however better sense prevailed on the power that be at the center, and the Constitution 105th Amendment was enacted in August 2021, restoring the powers of the state by incorporating a provision that every state or union territory may, by law, prepare and maintain, sir. This is very important, sir, that every state or union territory may, by law, prepare and maintain for its own purposes a list of socially, educationally backward classes, entries which may be different from the central list, sir. Sir, during this 3-year period from August 2018 and August 21, the state power to make their own state BC list was taken away by the central government, and state was unable to alter the state BC list. But after this 105th Constitutional Amendment Act came into force in August 2021, the states are free to alter the state BC list or raising the quantum of reservation for BCs. Hence, there is no need to refer the bill raising the BC reservation to the President of India through the central government, sir. There is also no need to take an all-party delegation to the Prime Minister to make a plea for enacting central legislation for raising the quantum of BC reservation in Telangana, sir. The reason I have said this before, sir. So I urge the government to announce the time frame for conduct of Gram Panchayat, MPTC, ZPTC, municipal elections in state, the term elected body including GHMC and few others, municipalities and municipal corporation all over. I may recall that the then BRS governments had conducted the Gram Panchayat polling in January 2019, soon after the assembly election held in December 2018, sir. The term of elected Gram Panchayats ended in January 2024. Similarly, the government conducted the MPTC, ZPTC poll in July, August 2019 after the Lok Sabha election held in 2018, sir. The term of elected MPTC, ZPTC, MPPs and Zilla Parishad ended in July, August 2024. Elections were held in 120 municipalities and 10 municipal corporations in January 2020. The term of elected bodies of these municipalities and corporations ended in 2005, sir. I may recall, in the absence of elected local bodies, the finance commission grant from the government of India are not being disbursed, as is mandated to have elected local bodies to avail the central fund. The Gram Panchayat are functioning under special officers in January 2024, MPC and ZPs, July, August 2024, and municipalities and municipal corporations in January 2025. It is imperative to hold the election to Gram Panchayat, MPTC and ZPTC and municipality, the government corporation, without further delay, sir. I urge the government to conduct this poll on a staggered schedule, sir. First, the Gram Panchayat. I would also like to emphasize that there is no need to conduct a simultaneous election, sir. And the objective of the ration and on the positive note, the reservation I intend to ensure economic, educational, social advancement and disadvantaged sections of society, that is SC, ST and BC minorities, even the backward sections of upper caste. The object of reservation in local bodies and legislative bodies for these sections is to ensure their political empowerment. Reservation are thus a way forward to creating a sense of belongingness and among these sections and encouraging them to participate in nation buildings and in progress of country towards development, enlightened nation, sir. And I also would like to say that, sir, कि सब देख रहे हैं कि किस तरीके से बीसीओं का बात करने वाले बीसीओं के इस इंसाफ और बीसीओं के इस मजबूत बिल को जो कांग्रेस हुकूमत ने आज यहां पे पेश किया है, इसका किस तरीके से सपोर्ट करते हैं, किस तरीके से इसका ताउन करते हैं। अगर वो लोग सिर्फ बातें करेंगे और खुलकर बीसीस का साथ नहीं देंगे, जिनका बरसा बरस से हक तलफी हुई, तो वो बेनकाब हो जाएंगे और एक्सपोज हो जाएंगे कि ये बीसी के दोस्त नहीं है, बीसी के साथ इंसाफ करना नहीं चाहते। लेकिन मैं यहां खड़े होकर कह रहा हूं कि हुकूमत जिस भी तरीके से जैसा भी ताउन मजलिस इत्तेहादुल मुस्लिमीन से चाहती है, इस बिल की कामयाबी के लिए, बीसीस को उनका हक दिलाने के लिए, अगर चाहे मरकजी हुकूमत हो या फिर हमको दिल्ली जाना हो, ऑल पार्टी डेलीगेशन हो, जो भी हो, हम अपना मुकम्मल ताउन आपके साथ करेंगे। लेकिन यह बात जरूर कहूंगा कि बात तो मरकजी हुकूमत बीसीस की करती है, लेकिन कभी इसने इंसाफ नहीं किया। अभी हम देख रहे हैं कि डिलिमिटेशन का जो बात की जा रही है, तो आज पीनलाइज किया जा रहा है साउथ इंडियन स्टेट्स को डिलिमिटेशन के नाम पर, और पीनलाइज इसलिए किया जा रहा है कि हमने आबादी को कंट्रोल किया, पॉपुलेशन को कंट्रोल किया। मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आपके जरिए, मैं थोड़ा सा हट रहा हूं सब्जेक्ट से, लेकिन चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब से, लीडर ऑफ द हाउस से और कांग्रेस से मैं आपके जरिए मुतालबा करूंगा कि ये बिल के साथ साथ डिलिमिटेशन के लिए भी हम एक यूनानिमस रेजोल्यूशन हम मरकजी हुकूमत को भी रवाना करते हैं असेंबली से पास करके कि हमारे साथ तेलंगाना के साथ और साउथ इंडियन स्टेट के साथ नाइंसाफी ना करें। जो हमारे इस रेजोल्यूशन की तायीद करेगा तो उससे जाहिर हो जाएगा कि वो तेलंगाना और साउथ इंडिया के साथ है। जो इसकी तायीद नहीं करेगा वो भी एक्सपोज हो जाएंगे। प्रोराटा की बात कर रहे हैं, प्रोराटा से नहीं होगा। हमारे 17 एमपीज को कम करना चाहते हैं, हमारा पॉलिटिकल शेयर को कम करना चाहते हैं। हर वक्त यही रहा, बीसीस के साथ भी ऐसी नाइंसाफी की, मुसलमानों के साथ भी कर रहे हैं, अब साउथ इंडिया के साथ कर रहे हैं। हम सब एक होते हैं और इस नाइंसाफी को दूर करने के लिए मैं अपनी जानिब से अपना पूरा ताउन देता हूं हुकूमत को और इस्तकबाल करता हूं और हुकूमत के इस बिल की भरपूर तायीद करता हूं। और आपने जो मुझे मौका दिया है इसके लिए मैं आपका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं।
थैंक यू सर।